Hey everyone, I thought I'd done this all out of order, out of whack, just because I was sitting around playing around trying to pick open this challenge lock. Where's the key gone? The Yuler. I managed to open it off screen. Thanks Brodie for sending it to me from the Australian Locksport Guild. Managed to open it, failed to, you'll see in the video, failed to take out the retaining screw there. Almost broke my little pen trying to do it. So demummified the key, you'll see that in the video. Proved that it opened and then had to end the video there. I've come back, there's an appendix where I actually managed to open it, and as you can see, we've got the pins there. Managed to open them. And you can see that chambers 1, 2 and 4 are threaded. So great job. Anyway, enjoy the video. Full set, that was on 2 I think. 3. Is that it? 2 I think. I feel like that clicked into place. 1 definitely done. 2 I think's done. What was something 4 or 5? This was a click. Okay, that's going well. Feels like it's going pretty well this time. Bit of counter rotation here. So that's set. Feels pretty set. So which one are we missing? 1 maybe? Was that 1 or did I? Hopefully I didn't overset it. Also on camera I tend to put a little bit too much tension on. So drop. It's tight. Let's try the backer. Let's go. I'll have it in the front all the way backwards. Let it lose count. See, 1 feels pretty good. 2 feels set. 3 feels a bit tight, but could just be a low cut. Click right now. Maybe now false set again, so there must be another spool. Maybe another. Make sure it's not open. No, good. That would be awkward if I'm sitting here with an open and it just has too strong spring tension. I wonder where it is. I wonder if I need to find a longer hook. But I have got it open with this standard hook before, so was that a fluke? I just lost my 1. Wow, it was 1. See, it's turning. It's open. We did it. There you go. So it was 1 hidden behind here. Let's see, it's open. Now I don't actually know if I actually have everything I need. Whoa, don't keep it down. It's open. You know what my camera's like. Hopefully I can do this in it is just you can see it. I find move the camera a bit. Weird stuff. Super glue. Best lock picking thing you need, huh? Ask for something else. I can't open this one. Oh. We'll do the next best thing then and take a look at the key. I want to open this. I'll do a follow-up of where I opened it up in the Yuler. You just have to trust me that, well, if I've hacked this video and changed those pins, oh my goodness, I'm either an awesome actor. So I'm just cutting the... That's why I do a funky monkey and I cut myself open. There we go. That's the key. So it's see that it's a high pin 1, so you can lift the pin 1 quite high, so that's useful, but that's why I needed to really pull it up at the end there to finally turn it. Pin 2, pin 3, so it's a very staircase pattern. The last pin was hard to get to, but I didn't really have too much issues with this guy. So this gatekeeper pin here for, what is it? 5, pin 5. So pin 4 was a good gatekeeper for pin 5, but it didn't seem to really be an issue. I didn't seem to have too much issues with that guy. I'll see if I can open up an appendix to this video. Just trust me, with all that effort, didn't quite. Anyway, see that the should work though. Works really well actually. Anyway. That's the Yuler. I apologise, I could not open. I could not show you the pins. If I do manage to do that, I'm about to run out of camera too. If I do manage to do that, I'll show it to you. Show you the pins. There's the bidding again. Obviously, we can see it's very staircase, and 4 is a gatekeeper to 5. That didn't seem too much an issue, but lifting that up quite high, and that was behind my on top of the keyway tensioner here, so doing that. So no wonder that got me stuck there for a while, making sure I got to that first pin and lifted it high enough, because it's actually quite far behind the nose of that the tensioner. Okay, back again. It doesn't count because I've come and gone, but here's the lock. Let's see if we can open it this time. I mean, take out that guy. I went rummaging through the shed to finally find, it looks a bit stripped, hopefully it'll work. Something with a bit more grasp, so. If you want me to pick it again, I'm happy to pick it again. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. I'm going to invest in a proper set of these, proper set of screwdrivers, because that was ridiculous. We have a key, so that's good. I've never pulled apart one of these before. I need a little screw. At least we have that set up, and the other, I guess, silver lining is I get to start the camera for another 10-minute gap. So we'll take out. It's got Loctite on too, so the blue on the screws. And my camera's almost out of batteries now because this battery's not very good. But let's keep pushing along. Make some room. Assuming this. Oh, it's locked up, isn't it? So that's fine. How does this work? I don't know. To be honest, I'm not sure how this comes off. Oh. Comes off by just pulling it off. We have that looks like the right size. So it's keys. Which way it does go 90 degrees. Probably should have shimmed it up, but it looks like it's fine. I guess we'll use it up here. Or maybe we'll move the camera. Be gentle. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and only 5 of 6 chambers, so we could put an extra one in here. These are anti-drill pins in there. Now I've got everything else on my messy desk. So 1 is a spool. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. And 5 is a spool. All the springs seem to be the same. All springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So the challenge lock. Don't see anything going on in there. Nope. And nothing going. Is there anything going here? It's a bit flattened on top. Bit of damage to here and here. So I don't know. So it's been flattened. It was flattened after the case. Oh, there we go. Now we've got some serrations. Nice. So we've added some threading to chambers 1 and 2 and 3, which, yep, these things fit nicely in. If we quickly just refill those pins, see if there's much effort in them. So there is a bit of a gap there. And so yes, he's doing, well, we saw them engaging with. So that's why I felt if you heard some clicks while I was trying to do those. So those serrations did come into place. So great job. No, it's really cool. So the secret there was very, very light tension. I had to do very light tension, which is what I managed to do off camera a lot better than on camera. Though you might only see my last splice of my last attempt, which was lighter tension. It went quite quick. Anyway, thank you very much. This is the Yuler. Managed to open it up. I'm sorry I couldn't open it up in the one take, but turns out make sure you have the right screws with you, or right screwdrivers with you. I might go buy myself a proper set rather than always relying on this guy, because sometimes that Loctite stuff and things, man, they'd be hard. Anyway, catch you around, guys. See ya.